How to lower blood sugar quickly. Managing diabetes requires vigilance and immediate action, especially when blood sugar levels spike unexpectedly. In this video, we're going to provide you with essential strategies to lower blood sugar levels quickly. These proactive steps will assist you in averting potential complications and ensuring your well-being. Let's delve into what blood sugar spikes are. A blood sugar spike occurs when glucose levels in your bloodstream rise rapidly after eating. For diabetics, this can pose significant health risks, leading to symptoms such as fatigue, headaches, and in severe cases, damage to nerves or organs. Upon detecting elevated blood sugar levels, the urgency cannot be overstated. You must act swiftly. The first step is not to panic but to engage in immediate, calming measures that contribute to lowering your blood sugar. One of the simplest yet most effective steps you can take is to drink water. Hydration plays a crucial role in helping your kidneys flush out excess sugar from your body. This action aids in stabilizing your glucose levels. Keep a bottle of water with you at all times to ensure you're prepared to counteract sudden spikes. Physical activity is your ally in managing high blood sugar. Engaging in light exercise, such as brisk walking or gentle stretching, can promote the utilization of glucose by your muscles. This process aids in effectively lowering blood sugar levels. Remember, the objective is not intensive exercise but moderate movements that facilitate glucose uptake. Your diet is another immediate line of defense against high blood sugar. Focus on high-fiber foods that help regulate sugar absorption in your body. Opt instead for wholesome snacks that promote a gradual decrease in sugar levels. When you're facing a spike, reach for healthy snacks like raw vegetables, almonds, or a handful of seeds. These options are not only nutritious but also help in stabilizing your blood sugar by slowing down the absorption process. Be proactive in choosing snacks that work for, not against, your health. Consider apple cider vinegar as a natural remedy to moderate your blood sugar. By mixing 1 tablespoon of vinegar in a glass of water and consuming it before meals, you can effectively aid in blood sugar management. Ensure that any supplement use aligns with your overall healthcare plan. Regular monitoring of your blood sugar levels is critical. Utilize your glucose meter to keep track of any changes. This habit not only provides visibility into your health status but also helps you adjust your immediate actions as needed. It's a key strategy in effective diabetes management. The information gathered from regular monitoring should be used to tweak and refine your personal treatment strategies. This proactive approach allows you to respond to your body's signals in real time, ensuring you're always in control of your health situation. Remember, while these tips can be highly effective, professional consultation with your healthcare provider remains indispensable. Each individual's diabetes management needs can be unique, so it's crucial to ensure the strategies you implement are safe and tailored to you. Let's summarize these practical tips. Quick action, hydration, light exercise, choosing high-fiber foods, and monitoring your glucose levels are your frontline defenses. Coupled with professional consultation, these strategies empower you to effectively manage sudden blood sugar spikes. Proper management is your key to keeping blood sugar spikes under control. While these techniques are vital, remember they're not substitutes for medical advice. Consistently consult your healthcare provider for comprehensive diabetes management. Thank you for watching. We encourage you to engage with us by leaving your comments or questions below. Your interaction helps create a more informed and supportive community. Don't forget to subscribe and follow our channel for more health tips and updates. Staying informed is an essential aspect of effective health management. If you're interested in delving deeper into diabetes management, we recommend you explore our other videos and articles on related topics. Knowledge is power in battling diabetes effectively. We've compiled answers to some common questions about managing high blood sugar. Check them out to broaden your understanding and apply these insights practically to your life. Incorporate these practices into your daily routines to make them effective habits rather than responses to crisis situations. Consistency is crucial for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels. Implementing these immediate actions not only helps in the short term but paves the way for long-term health benefits. Keep sight of the bigger health picture while managing day-to-day challenges. There are several myths about blood sugar management. Understanding what works and what doesn't can significantly impact your approach. We'll debunk common misconceptions you might encounter. There are many individuals who lead healthy lives by successfully managing their diabetes. Their stories serve as inspiration and proof that it is possible to handle blood sugar spikes effectively. Always ensure that your chosen physical activities and dietary changes are safe, especially in conjunction with any medical treatments you may be receiving. Prioritize safety in every aspect of your management plan. Prepare backup strategies for when initial steps do not effectively lower your blood sugar. Consult your healthcare provider to plan for multiple scenarios to stay prepared. Managing stress is vital as it directly affects blood sugar levels. Incorporate stress reduction methods such as meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to support your physical health goals. Take advantage of available technology by using apps or tools designed to help monitor glucose levels efficiently and track your health data seamlessly. Understanding what your blood sugar readings mean is crucial for evaluating your health. Educate yourself on interpreting the numbers so you can react promptly and appropriately. Don't underestimate the power of family involvement in your health journey. Enlisting their support can make the process more manageable and less isolating. Recognizing the signs of dangerously high blood sugar and knowing emergency actions are vital. Familiarize yourself with these signs to ensure quick and effective responses in critical moments. We are committed to providing educational content that informs and empowers you. Check back regularly for more tips, strategies, and updates on effectively managing diabetes. Managing diabetes is a journey that requires continuous adaptation and learning. Stay proactive and maintain a positive attitude toward your health. Remember, you are equipped to manage this condition effectively.